In this tutorial, you will learn the basic structure of an HTML page. The HTML element is the root element of the page. All other HTML elements are placed inside it. It contains two main sections: the head section and the body section. Let us look at the head element. The head element contains information about the web page. This information is mainly used by the browser and search engines. It is not normally displayed as visible page content. In this example, the head contains a title element. The title sets the text displayed in the browser tab. The head element can also contain other information about the page. For example, it can include the character encoding used by the document. It can include information that helps the page display correctly on mobile devices. It can include a short description of the page for search engines. It can also connect external style sheets and other resources. We will learn about these elements in more detail in later tutorials. For the time being, just remember that the head element can contain information about the web page. Now let us look at the body element. The body element contains the visible content of the web page. In this example, it contains a heading and a paragraph. The H1 element displays the main heading. The P element displays a paragraph. The browser reads the HTML structure and displays the content inside the body. Let us understand how HTML, head, and body elements are related. The HTML element is the root element of the page and contains both head and body elements. The head and body elements are siblings. Usually head comes first, then the body. The head element contains information about the page. The body element contains the content displayed in the browser. Together, these elements form the basic structure of an HTML page. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more HTML tutorials.